Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment, YouTube questions and topics. The informations of this video are from Google search and growbrain.com. Our topic for today is ways to get noticed on YouTube. Number 1, engage in comments of other video. Number 2, make your tags with SEO in mind. Number 3, create effective descriptions. Number 4, use evocative thumbnails. Number 5, avoid cliches with an effective CTA. Number 6, polish your channel's appearance. Number 7, socialize with other YouTubers and use apps to get ahead. Number 8, create topical response videos. Number 9, the last one, collaborate with other YouTubers. I hope these tips help us to make our channel better. And this is where I got the reference of this video from growbrain.com and Google search. God bless, more power, and a million thanks to all my channel members. They are a Toto Kamutur Vlog, Ganya Official, Roots Joel, Anji TV, Mirasol Idlon TV, and Bert Lambujo. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like,